Hey guys, 新年快乐! Hope you all are having a beautiful day. Chinese New Year is just around the corner and that means you'll be having steamboats after steamboats. So instead of using a ready-made soup base, I thought of showing you guys how to make your very own soup base. Technically, you can use almost any soup recipe for a hot pot if you want to. Today I'll be preparing quite a traditional fish soup base, or better known as yu tolu. First off, let's get some prep work out of the way. I'm gonna trim off about 500 grams of chicken feet, wash them and leave them aside. Moving on to our fish, today I'm using sea bass or gimbat or. This is quite a small one at about 500 to 600 grams, but should be enough for our soup base. I also had the fishmonger descale and cut it up for me so that my job is simpler. And then as you can see, I'm spreading quite a few paper towels to dry the fish very thoroughly. I'm also gonna season them with a bit of salt. I missed one step here actually, and that is to remove this blood from the fish, as it will make the soup extremely pungent, or sing. They wash off quite easily, so yeah, you just have to wash that off and all done. It's now time to cook, so heat up 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we're gonna fry up our fish pieces until golden brown. There's no need to touch them too much actually, just wait patiently and flip them after they hit the color. And then I'm gonna add 3 pieces of dried fish or pian yu, as well as several pieces of ginger. It might seem like quite a bit of ginger here, but they are necessary for removing the fishy smell. In fact, you won't taste much of the ginger later. And then I'm just gonna fry everything up for a bit, as well as add about 2 teaspoons of garlic. Once it's looking like that and it smells really good, we're gonna top the whole thing off with hot water. Hot water so that you don't drop the temperature of the wok and have to bring it up again. We're then gonna add our chicken feet inside, as well as to add 1 teaspoon of MSG. I usually won't add MSG for this soup, but because it is a hot pot base, it needs to be more savory so that the ingredients that you put in exit the hot pot with some seasoning. And then simply let that cook for 2 hours, checking the water level every now and then so that it doesn't dry up. And after 2 hours, it should look milky white like so. There will also be some yellow patches of oil, of which you can choose to skimp off. Personally, I didn't mind it, so I just left it in the pot. And then all that's left to do is to transfer it into your hot pot, and it's time to eat. I think that this is a great option for those who cannot take spicy food, and I would expect it to be a hit amongst the older generation, in case you have any in-laws or relatives coming over. Also, optional step, top your steamboat off with some goji berries and spring onions before unveiling it for more wow factor. More ideas on how to host a more presentable steamboat coming up in the next video actually, so do look out for that. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you liked it, disliked it if you disliked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.